For replacement tent parts, please contact customer service with your previous order number. Start off by sliding the peak pole out of the tent frame. Unscrew the dome cap screw and place it aside. Here we use a dowel rod to remove the cap due to how tight it is inside the pole. Just slide it into the bottom of the pole and push the dome cap out. Remove the dowel rod and grab your new pole. If your pole was not damaged, you may use it again for a new dome cap you received. Line up the screw hole on the cap with the screw hole on the metal pole and push the cap into place. Grab the screw we set aside and screw it into the hole. Lastly, reinsert the pole into the tent's frame. Make sure that the bottom of the peak pole is inserted into the frame's pole as shown.